stroke. So I'm gonna just pick up once and then 2. You know, keep in mind you can go with 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, however you would like. Oh, that's good. Not. All right, go ahead and key it for 30 seconds. So I'm gonna wipe that off really quick. Just like, got it. And for this nail, same thing. I'm gonna do a thinner line. And 1. That's it. And I'll go ahead and key it for 30 seconds. Hey everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, YouTube. You are so amazing, and thanks so much for continue support. Just 1 key already?
30 seconds.
Key more.
1 more.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Hope you all have a fabulous day, productive day. And here's the nails that we did. In the meantime, we're waiting for the nails to be keyed really quick. And this is the nails that we created with the glow in the dark collections and a thermal chains collection of Velvetty Gel. You should be able to see the post is tomorrow for the class, and the class for Velvetty Gel. It's absolutely free. I can't wait. So stay tuned for the post. You're able to see the post updated. So let me get, here's the flowers I'm going to create. I'm going to using